Learn all about HairLuminance and how it can help your hair. Inside, find easy recipes to make your hair strong and shiny. Feel excited to try new things and see your hair improve. With HairLuminance, your hair can look amazing and boost your confidence. Let this book be your go-to for better hair and enjoy every step. Trust that HairLuminance can make a real difference for you. Get to know HairLuminance and what it can do for you. Inside, find simple tips to make your hair grow and look better. Feel happy knowing you can take care of your hair easily. With HairLuminance, your hair can be fabulous and make you feel proud. Let this book guide you to better hair and enjoy the journey. Believe that HairLuminance can give you the hair you've always wanted. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of HairLuminance, and let your hair become a testament to your inner beauty. Experience a transformation firsthand, and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair.